just not. I wish I could fucking pop wheelies like that.
I'm a fiend for the weed like stoner. Keep your lies underneath marijuana. Bare wood till I'm in it cause you come. House box car feel like a summer. I love that money. But marriage should do something to me. I need it, I feel it, I want it. For so I got it, I'm rolling smoke.
That sucks.
I think you dropped too fucking hard.
Wait, why am I covered in oil? What is going on here? Oh. What, hold it for a second.
I got it.
Is it gas or is it oil? It's oil?
Mm-hmm. You might have to go get your Jeep.
Are you talking to crankcase?
That's a fucking diesel.
You didn't damage anything on that side, did it? I know it just blew the exhaust off. But... well, I guess I gotta go get my Jeep anyway.
Yep.
I did. Appreciate you. Appreciate it, thank you.
Right at the bottom. Yeah, do that.
I got my GoPro attached to the thing.
Do that. Get your helmet.
Dang, man.
Enjoy her. For real. It's not bad. I love it.
You know something? Something told me you should bring 2 bikes today.
Really?
I'm not even kidding. I was getting ready and I was like,
your intuition.
I was like, should I let the YZ and just have it as a spare backup? Here we go. Appreciate you. I'll be back. It's a good thing I got a lifted Jeep. I got you. Well, I guess it's the benefit to owning a Jeep like here. That's how to play recovery on this thing. Because apparently the seal went out.